It is now 6 in the morning, and I am on the roof capturing the scenes of the another day that is dawning. You can see the sun rising from it between the trees. The rays are spread around. You can listen to the chirping of birds in the trees. I can't see them, but their chirping are very much audible. That is what early morning looks like. There's no sound anywhere else, but the trees are standing, and in the trees there are millions of birds chirping. You can listen to them. So cuckoo, the sparrows, and in this coconut tree, some black cranes have made a nest. They'll start cawing very soon. Ah, yeah, listen to the chirping of birds. Such a pleasant sound early in the morning. Everywhere there are trees around us, and the birds are there. I hope you can listen to them. The birds chirping, different types of birds. Many of them I don't even know who they are, what they look like, but sparrows are there, and cuckoo keeps on. Even the crows are crowing. Difficult to see them in the morning, in the daytime. Sparrows and crows, they are more or less invisible in the daytime, but early morning they are waking up along with us. It is nice to be in the middle of nature. With natural surroundings, natural scenes, natural sights and sounds. I love this early morning time. Beautiful. If only the whole day was like this.